I am really murky about when we figured out what was happening to the Jews in Europe. This is kind of interesting because we had a kid who came to school, and we were probably like in the 8th grade, and he obviously, and how he got there, I don't know. He was from Poland, and we thought he had been in one of the ghettos, and how he was smuggled out or got to us, we don't know. But he spoke Yiddish, and he taught all the boys dirty words in Yiddish, which we never would have had the opportunity to learn. And I don't think the community had a very good response to the people that came afterwards. I think they made it very hard for people who had come from DP camps and all, and they didn't rally. But what they did do, it made it very important for the establishment of the state of Israel. And my family, they were ardent Zionists. Well, my mother more. My father was kind of low-key with all this. And they worked very hard for the establishment of the state of Israel. It was a hard time, but people were connected. Because they had a common purpose.